Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? You got shaker, wood tones accents with Madison top window. Absolutely beautiful here. Love the richness and depth of the wood tone on this. This is your standard 2-inch sandwich door from CHI polystyrene, but we're not going to do a whole massive video, but just show you the door shaker. So you got the 4 little recess squares with the 4 top individual panes on the Madison. Matches beautifully. Just absolutely stunning on this house. Innovative. 630-271-9343. Like us on Facebook and YouTube. Check us out. Thanks for subscribing, dropping a comment, a like. We'll help you out any way we can. 16 by 7 shaker accents, wood tones. Check the description for more details. Thanks for watching, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our video.